Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the very first time, hi, my name is Amisha Morani. So as you read by the title and of course by the thumbnail, in today's video I am gonna talk about mists and perfumes. Perfumes and mists which literally look very luxurious. They are like best gifting options when it just comes to gifting to your loved ones. Because I personally love using those kind of mists and perfumes which literally last for like a longer period of time and of course which are like very cute and attractive. Recently I just came across Body Cupid and oh my god, I am like stunned by the packaging and of course the fragrance is like to die for. Now to be really very honest, I'm not into like girly fragrances or like floral ones, but guess what? I came across one mist. I am literally in love with that. I literally adore cute packagings to try like different scents. So I just decided to go for like vanilla mist and I got this one. You have to apply it on your body parts. I generally prefer this kind of body mist like on my wrist or I can say behind my ears or on my neck because of course you want to smell good all the times and I am in love with the packaging first because it just comes in plastic packaging, so you don't have to just like fear or worry about it. It's just like this much. I mean, you can easily fit or you can just easily carry it with you guys whenever you are traveling, and this is for like 100 ml. So first you can see this has like a golden touch and of course good quality spray over here. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Okay, now it is literally very mild. Of course, a versatile scent. It literally uplifts my mood. I never thought of like trying this kind of girly perfumes because I am more or less into like unisex perfumes or else I can say like a man perfume. This time I tried body mist and also perfume from Body Cupid. This one is literally very affordable. If you want to use or even if you want to like gift someone, this is the best one, I think so. That was all about mist. Now moving on, we have one perfume from Body Cupid and this is Lily and Spice.
I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
One comes in like a glass packaging. Outer thing is so luxurious and it has a royal touch to it and very much minimal and very versatile. Now this is highly concentrated. I mean, if you compare body mist and the perfume, obviously this one is more like concentrated. So of course if you're talking about the lasting, this will last you for hours and I know that this will last for like a longer period of time compared to that body mist. You're just gonna keep it on your vanity. Oh my god, this will look so good and the entire room smells so good. This will literally not give headaches to people. This one is like little bit on a floral note or I can say spicier. This one is again for like 100 ml and I think it's priced at 999. So of course it comes in budget if you want to like gift someone to your loved ones. You can literally spray this on your like outfits and of course on your hair. I mean, if you're just gonna like, now for those who literally like search like how perfumes literally stay for like longer period of time, you can spray perfume on your comb or like brush. Whenever you're like combing your hair, this will literally like smell again good. You have to apply Vaseline and then you have to apply perfume and that will also stay for a longer period of time. Thumbs up for this one. Oh my god, this smells amazing. I am not exaggerating, trust me, but this literally smells good. Just like one shot of this perfume and the whole room literally smells good. Dome shaped kind of thing which is going on, and of course golden detailing. Both are like 100 ml. If you're using it properly and in appropriate manner, I am sure this can like last you for like 2 to 3 months easily. So if you want to smell good and if you want to gift someone, if you want to purchase, link will be in the description box below, so you can just like go and check them out if you want. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.